Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you what's inside Shafi water pump. Here you can see that there is 12 watt and 8 watt water pump. Now let's open it and then I will show you what's inside. Friend, if you like my this idea then please subscribe and press bell icon to receive my next video notification. Here you can see that propeller. There is armature. Now let's turn on this. Here you can see the power of this. Amazing power of this water pump. Here you can see that. So friend, that's all about from my this video. If you like my this video then please subscribe and press bell icon. Have a great day.